Start.
Saidam. Following the story you saw, and today being Easter, let's make a fun craft. The materials will be only things that are easily available in your house. Can you guess what it would be? Your own sock Easter bunny. If you still didn't get the idea, I will show you how to make it. These are the things you will need. An unused sock or pair of socks if you would like to gift it to your family or friends. A glass or spoon for pouring the rice. A Sharpie. Scissors. 2 rubber bands. Googly eyes if you would like them. 2 cups of rice. And some essential oil if you would like. Let's get started. What you will need is to pick up your rice and to put 4 to 5 drops of essential oil. I chose the eucalyptus oil because I think it smells really good. You're going to put 4 to 5 drops. You can stir the rice around or shake the box to make sure that the essential oil is spread evenly. Next, you're going to take your sock and you're going to pour half the amount of rice into your sock to make the bunny's body. When you're done, it should look like this. Next, pick up one of your rubber bands and tie it. Make sure that you put the rubber band over the part where you finish putting the rice. Make sure that you tie it 4 to 5 times so that it's tight and no rice will spill out. You can also pat the bottom into a dome to make sure that your bunny's body will be able to stand like this. The next step is to pour the remaining rice into the sock and make your bunny's head. When you're done, your bunny should look like this, a body and a head. Next, pick up your rubber band and tie it on the top the same way you did for the bottom. Make sure that you make it tight. When you're done, it should be like this. This is where your scissors come in handy. What you're going to do with your scissors is you're going to cut like a V shape to make 2 bunny ears. Make sure you cut it into a V shape. When you're done, your bunny should look like this. Because I used an adult-sized sock, I needed to adjust it. If your sock is too big and your ears are too big, then you might need to adjust like I did. The next step is to take your googly eyes, if you have them, and glue them onto your bunny. It should look like this. As you can see, it's starting to form into the body of a bunny. Next, you're going to take your Sharpie and draw things like the nose, whiskers, and if you want, you can draw like the inside shape of the bunny ears. Your finished bunny should look like this. You can use it as a toy or a pad for boo-boos, or you can sniff it when you have allergies. Thank you.